What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be correcting a prior video we shot, which was the Rob Beck PCV valve video. After the video was out for a while, Rob Beck, the account, they DM'd me through my Instagram account, and they told me about one of the cap pieces in the other video that I trimmed the fingers off of, so the PCV valve would sit flush with the PCV cap. I'll show you guys the piece in a second, but they were nice enough to reach out to me and send me another cap so I could fix this issue. Alright, so this is the cap here. And these are the fingers right here. We have 4 of them that I trimmed down or made flush with the surface in the other video. Rob Beck reached out to me and said the trimming of the fingers is not necessary, so do not do this. Now we're gonna put this in. I'm just gonna take off all this, the covers and everything over here, get to the PCV valve, and just show you guys just how to replace just the cap piece. Okay, now that all the covers and everything are off, the next thing I have to do to get to the PCV valve and the cap is to take off this fuel line right here.
Smells like 93.
I think so. Right, so after I loosened it and got it off, now I have access to the cap for the PCV valve. Oh, that size that was. Alright, to unscrew the back of the cap, it's a 13 millimeter, so I'm going to use this ratchet here, ratcheting wrench. Loosen that up real quick. Right, now that's out. Just want to be careful with it, not to drop it. Head into the PCV valve. Alright, so here's a PCV valve. This we're keeping. So I'm going to lay that down there for now. And this is the Rob Beck PCV valve. This is the one I bought. But I'm going to put that back in the car, so not getting rid of that. Okay, so here's the stock cap. As you can see, all the fingers are trimmed down, which I trimmed them down. But like Rob Beck told me, and now I'm telling everyone else, this here, they do not have to be trimmed down. So this piece here, with the fingers up, is what's supposed to happen. I was viewing on another YouTube channel prior to my install that the PCV had to sit flush like this. But Rob Beck told me it's more than fine to have it sit not flush. The fingers are allowed to make it not flush. So now that the PCV valve is back in the cap, I'm just gonna throw it right back into where we got it from. Sorry. That's tight there, and once you're working with plastic here, so you want to be careful not to make it too tight because it's very easy to strip. So I'm not trying to strip the threads. Once it started to give some kind of tension and bite back, I'm going to stop. That's tight enough. So after, I'm going to reattach the gas cap, the fuel line, I'm sorry, and that's probably going to be the most of it. Alright, so that's pretty much it. Fuel line's back on, the PCV valve is back in, and the new cap is on. I'm going to say it one more time. Do not trim the fingers down on the cap for the PCV valve. It's unnecessary and doesn't need to be done. And I like also to thank Rob Beck for reaching out to me and correcting my mistake. I appreciate that. And I'm sorry for the inconvenience if I caused you any excessive customers asking you questions based off the video. But guys, that's pretty much it. If you have any questions or comments about that, leave them in the comments below. I'll get back to you. If you like the video, drop a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, drop a sub too. Alright guys, we'll see you in the next video. Peace out.